Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Alpha Griller's digital thermometer. So this is a meat thermometer. You'll be able to poke it in. Now reason number 1 is it's got the temperatures of the meat that you're supposed to get right there on it. So you got a quick read. You can see poultry is between 165 and 160 and 155. So right there it gives you all the different temperatures for medium rare, well done, beef, pork. Now the second reason is it opens when it turns on when you open it, and then it turns off when you close it. So when you put this in the drawer, it's going to turn itself off and save the battery. Now the third reason is it's backlit. So it does have a backlight button. You can turn this little light on, turns a little blue light on so you can read it. And I also like that it reads really quick. So here I've got a cup of hot water. You can see that thermometer, it just reads it right away. Take it out, temperature starts changing right away, so it's instantly reading whatever the temperature is. I also like that it's magnetic. So back here it's magnetic. You can stick it on a grill or a refrigerator. It's got a really strong magnet. Now this is battery powered, and on the back here you are going to have to change that battery once in a while. Just rotate that with a screwdriver, and it's a watch battery. So it takes a CR2032. And it comes out, you're going to put the side with the wording on it is the positive side. So you'll put that in the up position. So you just simply install the battery, take the cover, and rotate it, and there you go. Dimensions, it's 6 inches, not very thick, about 5/8 of an inch thick. Let's go over the actual probe. So it's about 4.5 inches. Overall, you're looking at about 11 inches. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.